Hi, I'm Mark. Today we're going to show you how to assemble the banner stand for the 8-foot by 8-foot banner, or whatever size you choose to make it. Most people do 8-foot by 8-foot. What you get in the bag, you get the two base pieces, the feet. You get two upright poles that go into the bases, two horizontal bars that are also adjustable. You get a screwdriver, two screws to hold the uprights to the bases, 4 of these handy screws that hold the horizontal bars onto the vertical bars, 12 of these bungee balls which will help hold the banner to all of the bars, and then you get a nice bag to put it all in. To start with, you're going to put the upright pole into the base foot. Take the screw, which sometimes is already screwed into the bottom, so you might have to unscrew it. Once you get that in there, put that in, the screwdriver, which comes with it, so you don't have to worry about finding a screwdriver. You're just gonna get that nice tight, and just like that. Okay, so the easiest way we could come up with to do this is to lay the banner flat on a floor. So that way you can gauge how big to put the poles. All the poles are adjustable. They just like slide out. You tighten them up. Slide that part out. That way you can kind of gauge where it needs to be. And I just like loosely tighten that one. Then you take these handy screws with the knobs on them. These go in just like that. Screw that together. They're actually quite long, which might be a good thing. Come down here. Screw that one in. And then you just come over to the other side, do the same thing, then you'll have it to about where it needs to be. After we've assembled the frame around the banner, made it square, like that, everything's tightened up, we take the bungee balls, which is just like a bungee cord with a plastic ball attached to it. What you do with these is you're gonna thread it through the hole. We usually do the corners first, and all you're gonna do is wrap that around that, and if you want, you can hide it behind the stand, and then it holds, and hopefully it'll tighten up as you go. We usually do all the corners first. That usually makes it easier. Keeps the banner tight while you're doing it. Then once you get all the corners done, you can go back through and do the sides and the top and the bottom. You get 12 bungee balls with the banner kit, so you should have just enough to do the whole banner. After you've put all the bungee balls on, you're gonna set the banner stand upright with the banner attached. You can tell ours is a little loose, so all I'm gonna do is loosen up this pole here and just kind of push it up. Oh, that went too far. And retighten it. The whole stand is pretty adjustable, so you can get it just the way you want it. A lot of people use them like for photo backdrops, so you kind of want to make sure the back is tight. Otherwise you see a bunch of creases. But that one's on there pretty good. So that's how we usually adjust a banner stand and put it up